everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories. Today we're talking about the river, specifically about Lindiwe uMadlabantu. Guys, Lindiwe may be the evil wife, but she has never cheated on Zweli, like never, or she has never been unfaithful to her marriage. And she normally says she hates Ubufebe with all her heart, but it seems as if she is losing the battle, guys. She's about to become herself worst enemy. She's actually crazy about Mnqobi, or she's in love with him. She keeps on dreaming about the two of them having sex. Zweli is worried about this whole situation, so he decided to conduct investigation about this guy just to find out who he is, where he come from, and what does he want. Because really guys, nothing is adding up about Mnqobi's personality. He just came out of the blue, and I guess he didn't do his homework about who is Lindiwe, because if he did, ngabe uyazi how dangerous she is. Month End Tears has revealed that Lindiwe will make a choice she never thought she will ever make, and after that we learn that she will teach Mnqobi a lesson he will never forget. My mind tells me that Lindiwe will give Mnqobi a cake and later find out that he is not who he says he is and why he is here. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment guys below and share your opinion about this whole story of Lindiwe and Mnqobi. Bye.